2025 question and answer. Let's go.
We begin with 513. Mario Hoson, Bayugan City. Hello Mariel, maayong gabi. How are you feeling so far?
Feeling extremely grateful that I get this opportunity to talk in front of everyone.
Of course, job well done on making it this far. Congratulations. Are you ready for your question? Here we go. Kindly pick one from the bowl.
Your question. No copy. Your question. How would you inspire your generation to see farming not as the past, but as the future? I repeat, how would you inspire your generation to see farming not as the past, but as the future?
We need to remind ourselves that we don't need a doctor every day, we don't need a lawyer every day, but we need our farmers. They are the ones that sow the seeds of our land, and they started all of it. And in my platform, I really want to pursue and make sure that every single person out there understands the value that farmers gives to us. They give us health, they give us wealth, and everything that we have right now. We wouldn't be standing right here if our farmers didn't sow the land in the first place. We need to be grateful and remind everyone that they are our future because they are everything that we need. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Beautiful
Bye.
answer, OJ. You have spoken with so much eloquence and passion about
Of
this.
course, pride for all of our farmers. Daghan kayong salamat, Bayugan City. We move on with Prosperidad, Sherilyn Suarez, by 8.
Sherilyn, how are you feeling tonight?
I am so grateful that I have been the one to top 8 pa.
All right, congratulations. Of course, the judges truly feel that you deserve the spot. Of course, we are now, you're about to answer a question. Andam na ba ka?
I am ready.
All right, here we go. Kindly pick one. All right, bye. Nay duha na tulong nakuha actually. Bye. Nabay lain. Daghan siya, ganahan siya mo answer sa tulo, pero usa lang. All right, thank you very much. All right, Bae 8. Your question is, what part of your story could bring hope to someone going through a difficult time? I'll repeat, what part of your story could bring hope to someone going through a difficult time?
The best part of my story that I want to share about everyone is that joining this pageant, being a candidate was never been easy. I've been through ups and downs, but thanks to God that I have overcome it. And I am joining this not just to showcase my physical beauty, but it's about embodying a purpose. And I am here to amplify my advocacy respecting agriculture beyond farming. Because as an agriculture student, I believe that agriculture is our future. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Bae 8, Prosperidad. Moving on with Bae 9, Maria Teresa Plaza Veruela. Hello, Bae number 9.
Hello,
You look
Teresa.
lovely tonight.
Step a little bit more forward. Thank you. Who's here watching you tonight?
My family is in Navarwala, LGU. Thank you so much.
If you could take us to one place in Veruela, asa man mini mo dadon?
Maybe in Tingkog Canyon pa.
Sorry?
Tingkog Canyon.
As ngano man?
Because it's a place that distinct.
Mhm.
It's a unique place, not just in Navarwala but in the Agusan do.
Oh, mga lakad ta rito. We'll go there. Tomorrow, you'll be our tour guide for the day. All right. Bae number 9, are you ready for your question?
Yes,
All right, kindly pick one.
Sige pa, magdula din ha. Sa lugar, gula ko tanong. Kawisik pa mo to, no?
Candidate number 9, this is your question. In Agusan del Sur, we believe in science, technology, innovation, and research. How would you turn those into real change for small communities? Again, in Agusan del Sur, we believe in science, technology, and innovation and research. How would you turn those into real change for small communities?
Agusan del Sur's rich cultural narratives deserves a digital platforms in today's connected world. As a Bayan Naligan candidate, I would collaborate with our Provincial Information Office and the indigenous knowledge holders to implement a Agusan digital platforms where communities can create their own narrative information or documentation. By working together, we can create a better and sustainable Agusan del Sur for all. Let us continue to uplift one another and move forward with unity, purpose, and hope for future generations. Thank you.
Very well said. Thank you very much.
Veruela definitely like that answer.
Pakalaangin din dito, Ogma. Moving on with by 7, Dixie Libre Oka, Sibagat. Hello, Dixie. Congratulations on winning Best in Long Gown. How do you feel about that?
Well, I'm just grateful that I'm able to strut the runway with grace. And of course, special thanks to my designer as well.
Who is?
Which is Mommy Roy Armentiza.
All right. And of course, Dixie, are you ready for your question tonight?
Yes.
Here we go. Kindly pick one. And your question is, what does public service mean to you in a world where power is often misunderstood? I'll repeat. What does public servant mean to you in a world where power is often misunderstood?
In a world that is often misunderstood, we see that leaders tend to be most especially be corrupted and most especially lost their purpose. But I am here, I am a student leader myself, and I want to tell everyone that we need to have more leaders that are more empowered and at the same time inspiring. Leaders are meant to serve, not to be served. Thank you.
Thank you very much. That is 7, Dixie Libre Oka, Sibagat.
OJ, we have 4 more to go. We are halfway
Halfway.
through our question and answer.
Joining us is by 1, Trento, Karen Perez. Hello, Karen. Mga gabi. Unsa may inspiration sa imuhang gown tonight?
Actually, to be honest, my favorite color is blue and purple. And so the combination of my gown tonight is color blue and purple. And you know what? I am very confident in wearing this and walking on stage.
That's what's most important. You
Yes.
feel good wearing anything.
And
you
usually
wear,
when you wear your evening gown or your long gown, there's always a story behind it.
Mm.
So that when you walk on stage, you know, you have that confidence and you have that pride in what
Yeah.
you wear.
Of course, with matching earrings pa, di
And
ba?
favorite color pa niya yan,
Yeah,
di ba?
Of course, as we mentioned, they had the power or choice to choose
Yes.
your evening gown. So we have seen and witnessed a little bit of you here tonight. All right?
Creation from Mark Sayad.
Kudos to your very talented designer. By 1, are you ready for your question? Kindly pick one.
I am ready.
By number 1, this is your question. Some say the youth are too bold. Others say the elders won't change. Where do you stand between the two? Again, some say the youth are too bold. Others say the elders won't change. Where do you stand between the two?
To be honest, the truth is the youth are bold. but I will go between. This because we have, in our age, we have different age, and we have different personalities each year. And so, for me, I would stand both. It is because both personalities or both people are equal. We are all equal. And I believe that our youth, if we amplify or uplift our youth, we can uplift them to respect the elders. And if we also encourage the elders to respect the youth, we can live a community that is harmonious. We can live a community that is peaceful. And we can live a community that is united. Thank you.
Right on time. Beautiful. A perfect balance for everyone, DJ.
Walang na-balance yung gown kayo. Saraman ng iyang bako direct. You look lovely. Bae number 1. Daghan kayong salamat. Moving on with San Francisco. Reina Sazon. Hello, you look lovely.
Hello, beautiful in purple, Violet. How are you tonight? How are you feeling?
I'm feeling grateful, but the nervousness just kicked in.
Gamay lang, gamay.
Yes, sir.
Sige lang, sige lang. Where are the supporters of San Francisco? Your very own. Grabe. Is it pressure being here on stage in your home municipality?
Yes, it's pressure, but we need to take a break and answer the question.
Of course.
That's the thing.
Do you believe in sports, home court advantage?
Oh, I
Nakabara?
believe in home court advantage, and I do hope so. By the grace of God, I can answer the question.
You know you will do great. Just breathe and do your best. Speak your heart out. All right? Here we go. I'll pick one question. By 11. Your question is, nature does not speak, but it sends warnings. What do you think it's trying to tell us today? I'll repeat. Nature does not speak, but it sends warnings. What do you think it's trying to tell us today?
You know what? We have this climate change. But the global warming is now termed by Pag-asa as global heating, which is a greater risk than more than the global pandemic. That is why we need to respond and take action, because the greater risk of humanity is more than the pandemic. And I believe that nature should speak in humanity in a way that we need to respond and take action, because we need Mother Earth to be respected and the future generations to come. Thank you.
Thank you very much. San Francisco.
Thank you, Nya. With so much relief. Thank you. She answered beautifully,
Yeah,
Ocean.
beautiful. We have to take care
Yes.
of Mother Earth.
And we have to invest in the future generation.
That is right. We move on with Bini or Bae 6. Precious Era Babayos. Rosario.
Hello, Precious. You look like a goddess in your gown tonight.
Thank you so much. I wore white tonight because I want to represent calmness and gentleness, even though I am an empowered woman.
Wow, the perfect balance. Who is your designer?
Sir Kim Amora from Butuan City.
Wow, beautiful. And are you ready?
I am born ready.
I love it. Okay, by number 6, please. Precious, choose your question. Your question is, what is one value that must never be lost in public service no matter how far you go? Again, what is one value that must never be lost in public service no matter how far you go?
As a Baay Naliagan candidate, I advocate for soil conservation and responsible land management. Because this journey is not just only for me, it is for our people, Agsornons. With this, the value that I would love to carry all my life is genuineness and thoughtfulness. Because this is for us, for our future as Agsornons. Because if we take care of our soil, we take care of the soul of Agusan del Sur.
the people, for the province, for the province of Agusan, always for Agusan del Sur. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Bae 6 Rosario. Wow. If we take care of our soil, we take care of our soul. Wow.
And the promise.
Pwede siya mahimong poet, no?
Ang daming quotable quotes for tonight. And we see all the empowered women taking up this stage.
Abi na ko, nag-white siya kay habit na siya po ni Lord. Binuara. Alright, move on. Last but not least, by 14, Carla Isabel Tubil. Hello. Congratulations on winning Miss Photogenic. You look lovely. How do you feel about that?
I'm feeling nervous because I was the last one being called.
Uh-huh.
That's all I have right now. I'm grateful, of course, with all the people who supported me, who came along here.
Take us back. Take us back. How did you feel when your number was called?
Well, I was the last number since the production, and I'm still last in top 8. But thank you, Lord Jesus.
So hopefully you'll be kind of the last one to be called later because we will be calling the winner last, diba? Pwede.
Let's take it as a sign.
Save the best for last. All right, here we go. Bye 14. Are you ready?
I came here prepared and ready.
She came here prepared and ready. Unsa ka taas ang biyahe?
From
got some
Loreto,
oh.
I think 3 to 4 hours.
3 to 4 hours.
Yes, it depends on the scale, what kind of transportation you're using.
Ah, di ba? 3 to 4 hours pagabot niya, ready na siya. Ready to win tonight. Alright, kindly pick one question. And your question is, if the world unplugged for a day, what do you hope people would realize? I repeat, if the world unplugged for a day, what do you hope people would realize?
I hope that people would realize that equality and equity comes together, because through equality, we have the chance to be able to achieve equity. And as a woman and being part of the LGBTQNA+, I believe that it is a better way to ensure that our province continues to strive, because as LGBTQNA, we did not speak to be tolerated, but to be accepted. Thank you.
Wow, thank you very much. By 14, a standing ovation for one of your supporters right there. Wow!
OJ, ang dami kong natutunan today at ang dami kong baon pa uwi.
Grabe, the questions in itself makes us think, Michelle, how